Alright, we're back in Prescott. A little pad kind of slipped on me here. There we go. And, oh, it's like I do smell food. There's a grill right there, the Galloping Goose. And smell like the Birdcage Saloon. This is the courthouse. This is a really nice area here. I almost smell like barbecue. Yeah, this is just a beautiful area here. This used to be Whiskey Road. Now it's like artsy fartsy place. A1 beer. That was Arizona beer. And yeah, nice, beautiful, easygoing day. And before we go to the barbecue, I did an oil change. I didn't pull the skid plate off like I did on my last Vstrom when I changed the oil. I just let it run down the skid plate. So there's a quarter car wash. I was going to say quarter car wash, but they're not a quarter anymore. Anyway, there's a car wash right there. And so I'm going to spray the engine off. There we go. Yeah. I won't use that muddy stall. There we go. Cool. And then I've been wanting to do this in Phoenix. But it's hot there. This is 87 degrees. All right, so it's $1.75 to start. That's cool. Phoenix is like $3, the one I go to. And like I said, all I'm doing is I want to spray off the skid plate underneath where I let the oil drain. So I'm sure this will be perfect. I'll put that last quarter there, and off we go. Ooh, it's got pressure. Yeah, that oil just runs all the way down here. Like I said, my first one, I pulled it. And then this one, I was a lazy guy. Yeah, when I changed the oil the first time, I was glad I did. I had a CarQuest filter in it. It looked totally different than the filter I put in it. Yeah, we'll use the back there. Okay. Yeah, we'll spray back here on the Cuba Link. Spray it back the other way. Spray down. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of done. Wow, there's actually soap in it. Wow. Let's get underneath. If anything, we're wrenching off some of that salt air. Oh, how about a wax? From where I got the bike, it was up by San Luis Obispo. Yeah. Brand new tires. Woohoo! It is beautiful, no? Yeah, it's got those new Shinko 705s. Degreased and waxed. Widget style. Oh, you can see some kind of green crap coming off of this thing. Interesting. That must be the wax. I think I better clear it since I got a minute. Let's just wrench. Yeah, and the ABS brakes, you can see it right there. Yeah, I'm very happy with this bike. You know, you can tell it was this guy's baby. All the little doodads he put on it. There we go. No more green stuff coming out. Kind of concerned me when I saw the green crap coming out. All right. And thanks for riding along the Widget Car Wash. And we're going to hop on the road, head back to Lucky's Barbecue. Or head to Lucky's Barbecue. Yeah, I feel better having. You know, sometimes I could smell like oil. And it was coming from this skid plate and exhaust. And since I drained the oil right into it. Cool. Let's scram, kids. Tank bag back here. Little seat cushion thingy. All right. Water goes here. Oh, kickstand. I'm all new to bikes. Cool. I feel way better. Oh. Hold on. I would need gloves. Jeez. It's a wonder I could even function, huh? How does that guy even get around? He don't even know where his gloves are. Alright, guys. Oh. Lucky's barbecue. I can taste it already. Deep dish apple pie. What a great day. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, we're all clean. Oh, and the thing about bikes is that you get all the smells, no charge. Good and bad. These are good. So, we'll watch this guy here. Watch the wheels, right, OW? I'm going to let you go until I'm out of Prescott. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. All right, so we've gone through Prescott, leaving. This is the end of Prescott Valley, which is to the east of Prescott. It used to be a nothing little town, but like everything else, it's gotten a lot bigger. So anyway, yeah, you can see we're exiting, huh? So now we're going to head on down the Lucky Barbecue. You can't really see. I could use another gear. Ooh, 666. Oh, there we go. That's better. So anyway, yeah, you haven't really broken the bike in, right? It hasn't gone to Lucky Barbecue. So, but it's just been a phenomenal ride. This whole area yesterday was getting hammered with rain. You know, it's still wet on the side of the road here, because I was going to come up this way yesterday, and there was just a huge water shaft coming out of the clouds. Giant storm. So I just turned around at duty and came home. Still had breakfast though. So anyway, yeah, it's just been an epic day. We're 87 degrees still, 20 degrees cooler than Phoenix when I left. And then we'll just take the 17 home and hop on the 101, and we'll call it a day. I'm at 120 miles to show me at half a tank. So realistically, this thing should be able to do this whole loop on one tank of gas. So I may get gas. There's a little cheap gas station outside of Mayer. I may just tank up there, so I have gas when I get home, because it's cheaper up here. Yeah, and the roads are wet. They had a storm come through here today. So yeah, it's just been a great ride though, man. Just starting to love the bike. You know, it's different getting off one Vstrom that you're really comfortable with and familiar with, and then getting on another one that, you know, you had to do 2 bar swaps now. But the heart of the beast is what's important now. So the rest of the stuff, I'm pretty darn close. I put maybe by the time I get home, I'll have about, I don't know, 350 miles since I started yesterday. So if nothing's given me trouble yet, it's not going to. And I felt good about getting rid of the oil on the skid plate and the surrounding areas. And yeah, we'll get it home, and then I'll just give it a bath. Oh, I got a bike coming up behind me. See the bags and everything. So give them a peace sign. Who do we got? Oh, another Vstrom, one of the newer spoked wheel models. Nice. Yeah, and look at this guy. He's got a jacket, Levi's. He is in sneakers, but he's got 80% of it there. So yeah, cut him some slack. But yeah, he's on the newer Vstrom. All right, we're getting close, and I can tell that I see the Chevron station. And last time I was here, they were plowing this field, and I asked what was going in, and they said more storage and homes and mobile homes. So it just doesn't end. Oh, let's go through, and we're just gonna go over here. Lucky Barbecue. Shut my turn signal off, so I look like I have. Uh-oh, are they closed? Don't be closed. Don't be closed. Oh, they're closed. Howdy. Not open, huh? All right. Thank you. Well, crud. All right. Well, back on the road again. No Lucky Barbecue. All right, fine. Trying to think any other magical stops on the way back. All right. Now. All right, I'm going to shut the camera off. No Lucky Barbecue. Good Lord. Yeah, getting a few sprinkles. Nice. And anyway, yeah, we're just getting ready to hop on I-17. Just loving this thing. So, anyway, you guys get out and make your own adventures. You got a bike in the garage, get out and hop on that thing. If you have a Vstrom and you're not riding it, it's not the bike, it's you. Because these things are just magic carpets, man, I tell you. This one's every bit as much fun as my other one. So, anyway, Widget Guy over and out. Thanks for watching, and you guys take care. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.